What's going on, and thanks for joining me for another video. In this video, it's going to be a shorter one. I'm going to show you how to use one of these templates. This is a texture template by AirShot stencils, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to get different effects using just the one template. Very, very basic. Let's get into it right now. So how to get some different effects using your freehand texture template. So obviously the first thing you can do is you can just spray through it as it's laying flat, and that's going to give you an effect like so. If you want it even sharper, then you can go a bit heavier with it and make sure that it doesn't move around. That still moved a little bit, so let's lock it into place. And you can see how much sharper that is there. So that's laying it flat. The other thing you can do is when you're spraying through it, move it around. That's going to give you a nice different effect as well. The other thing you can do is raise it off the surface. Okay, so I'm probably lifting it off just a few mil. Obviously the air is going to want to push it down onto the surface, but you can just lift it and you're going to get a softer effect. So you can see how versatile these texture templates are. And again, raising it from a distance and then moving it, you're going to get another different effect as well. If you want to go from harsh to soft, then grab your template and just lift it off the surface, like just bend it, if that's possible, depending on what type of template you're using. And spray through it like that, and you're going to get a bit more of a gradation. So nice and sharp within here, and then where it's lifting off, it'll go blurrier. All right, so definitely experiment with freehand templates. That's what they're designed for. So you can see how quick and easy you can get textures. So don't just think that you have to lay them totally flat and spray through. There's so much you can do with them. You know, move them around, you can get even these sort of effects here. So depending on what you're going for, but I'm a big fan, if you have seen my videos, of just sort of moving them around a little bit to get some really cool effects. So I do hope that you enjoyed learning how to better utilize your texture template. Remember, this goes for any texture templates, doesn't have to necessarily be this one in particular. To continue your learning, be sure to check out some of the other videos and playlists that I've got listed here. And until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.